thunderstorm warning for central Pender County in southeastern North Carolina, north central Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, east central Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Riegelwood, or 13 miles northwest of Leland, moving northeast at 35 miles.
Bro, it doesn't even include Columbus. I didn't hear it.
Miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated.
Why is it going off for Columbus if it's over Leland?
Damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bergall, Northwest, Sandyfield, White Stocking, Point Caswell, Maple Hill, Long Creek, Murraytown, Rooks, Montague, Malbas Corner, Ashton, Rocky
This
Point,
guy didn't
Curry,
go off.
Ward's Corner, The Borough, Delco, Riegelwood, St. Helena, and Sandy Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in North Carolina.
Oh, it didn't go off. 298, that's weird. Alright.